I'm a full-time career coach and a content creator who was an ex-management consultant at a Big Four prior to this. I'm extremely delighted to share with all of you that I'm here at WeSchool for a full day training on how you can leverage LinkedIn end-to-end, whether it is learning how to land jobs via LinkedIn, optimizing your profile, being able to create a strong personal brand, reaching out to recruiters, and a lot more. And I'm doing this workshop for the distance learning PGDM students here. And I'm sure that by the end of the program, they'll get a lot of key takeaways in terms of the right way to be able to approach recruiters, professionals, and their connections on LinkedIn. They'll also be able to create optimized content on their profile and be able to utilize LinkedIn as a platform to create a very strong professional brand. Thank you. Dressing professionally does not mean you have to wear like a coat and a blazer and tie or whatever. No. It means you have to look formal. You don't have to wear, casual outfits that you would basically wear on Instagram. वो about में नहीं आएगा. That won't come in about. That is what I'm saying. Whatever you are stating are your achievements at your workplace, which will come in your experience section. About section is an entire summary of your journey so far. Like I explained, if you see my about section, I have spoken about my educational qualification, about my company that I was working in my role, about my key skills. But like I told you, first 1.5 to 2 months will anyways be related to your personal experiences. Then you will start mixing it up with whatever technical expertise or topics you want to talk about. You are in finance, so people would assume you would like to talk about finance. And you study personalized invite. Whether the invite is not focused on you, but it's focused on them and trying to move forward. Then that's the next topic. Wait for them to reply to that and end the conversation there. And don't worry, because of the same logic should be more than your number of connections. Right? Because it's unlimited. Connections are limited. So that's how it should be. You should enable the follow button on your link.
Hello, I'm Neeti Poddar from JL 22 batch Hybrid, and this is my second year. I've just stepped into my second year of college. So these workshops are really useful and very well organized by the college. Today's delivery was amazing, and we were taught about LinkedIn, and every aspect of it was covered. And we were taught how to post, and I created my first post on LinkedIn. I'm feeling very great about it. Apart from that, we learned how to post, how to look for job, how to optimize your profile, and how to